Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can make all calls go to voicemail on your iPhone. So for that you'll need to get to your settings, and after getting to your settings, now what you're going to do is scroll all the way down and then tap on apps, and then from here you'll have to search for phone. Here you can see tap on a phone and open the settings of phone, from which you'll have to scroll down until you see the option of call forwarding. Tap on it, and then in here you can see this is called forwarding. Tap on the toggle button and turn it on. Now you'll have to tap on forward to, and then here you'll have to enter your voicemail number. So if you are not familiar with your voicemail number, all you need to do is simply Google your service provider's name and their voicemail number and you'll get it. For me, it's 1234. And here you can see I have typed that down. Now I can simply go back. And after going back, here you can see call forwarding is turned on, and like that all of your calls will automatically go to straight your voicemail. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.